Manannán mac Lir, guardian of the Otherworld. Sail beyond the mist and uncover the mysteries of Manannán mac Lir, the legendary sea god of the Celtic world. Manannán gave Lugh what item? Manannán's wife is? Manannán is often described as which magical item is his? His horse's name is? What is Wave Sweeper? His father is believed to be he sometimes appears as Manannán is linked to which race? Who did Manannán help in battle? Aunbar can travel over. Who did Manannán raise as his own? Where is Manannán said to rule? Which cloak did he possess? What gift did he give to Cormac? Manannán mac Lir is a god of Manannán mac Lir's waves still crash against the shores of legend. How well did you navigate his myths? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.